In this lecture I'm gonna show you how to connect a USB device to a virtual machine. As an example, I'm going to be connecting a wireless adapter to my Kali machine, but the same method can be used to connect any USB device. Now, as mentioned in the course requirements, you need a wireless adapter for the cracking section of the course or an USB. What I mean by a wireless adapter is a USB device that connects through your speak to your computer, and it allows you to communicate with wireless networks. Now most computers and laptops come with a built-in wireless card. The only problem is, first of all, you can't access built-in wireless cards from a virtual machine. We can access it by installing Kali Linux in a USB. So even if you install Kali as a main machine, the built-in wireless cards are not good for hacking, because we need a powerful adapter that supports monitor mode and packet injection. And we're going to go into what each of these mean, but basically the built-in wireless adapter does not support these modes and can't be used for hacking. That's why I recommend powerful wireless adapters. I recommend you TP-Link TLWN722N. It's cheap and very handy to use. So first open VirtualBox. Then select your Kali machine. Then go to Settings. Go to USB. Click on Enable. Select your wireless adapter from here. Save this setting. Then open Kali Linux. When you click on the devices at the top, you can see USB, where you can see your adapter.